how long time no see. I am actually here in Guangzhou, China. I've been here for a few days. August is having a fantastic time as always. Now, of course, the big news today is this announcement that we're very close to a deal between the US and Iran. Of course, it's going to drive markets. So a couple of things that I think we need to factor in this situation. Firstly, of course, any signs of a deal where the Strait of Hormuz will open and oil will start to flow is going to be a positive for risk assets, equities, bonds, also for gold. You'll see the dollar lower and oil lower as well. But a couple of things to bear in mind. Firstly, that it looks like the hardest element of a deal in terms of the uranium is going to be put off for another day. There might be a 30 or 60-day period of negotiations, and this is a typical kind of strong deal, whereby they do the EGG sale and the hard things put off for another day. Markets might be a little bit concerned about that. Also bear in mind that Monday is a public holiday in the US, so we're still getting information out about this deal, plus the fact that a lot of investors and traders are going to be away, so it may take 2 or 3 days into next week before we get the full reaction. So from my perspective, we've been quite quiet in my community last week or two. I didn't think there'd be many trades for us to do. There'll be and some strangles in some markets, expecting there to be a move, and hopefully that will start tomorrow. But I'm going to wait and see what the reaction is tomorrow. With limited liquidity over the next 24 hours or so, we might see some strange moves, so I want to work out what the market's doing first before I decide how we're going to react to that situation. So I think very much something that will develop over 2 or 3 days. And markets, of course, will initially be positive, but whether that continues may depend on more details that come out in the next couple of days.